Live an anxiety-free life today with these tips. No matter what a person's age, income, religion or ethnicity, anxiety can affect them. When you become filled with anxiety, it is a hard thing to deal with. Anxiety that is left untreated can lead to a debilitating illness in which its sufferers are unable to leave the house or complete routine tasks. Read on for help. To help you ensure anxiety is not taking control of your life, speak to your doctor about medications you can take to restore potential chemical balances. Medications are often prescribed for people dealing with anxiety disorders, and the results have proven to be very effective in most cases. Keeping yourself busy can really help reduce anxiety. Sometimes, simple tasks, such as washing the dishes or raking the yard, will help you stay busy. Most people have more than enough to do, so get excited about just a few projects that will keep you smiling. If you are suffering from anxiety, one of the best things that you can do is to drink a lot of water during the day. 8 glasses of water can help to reduce the toxins in your body and put you in the best position to stay positive during the day. When you wake up in the morning, take a multivitamin to help reduce your stress level as the day wears on. Multivitamins contain a lot of valuable nutrients that can help to create a balance in your body and transport the necessary minerals to the areas that need it the most. Think happy thoughts. If you have problems falling asleep at night because of anxiety, think about everything good in your life and the positive things you are going to do the next day. While it may seem hard to do at first, the more you do it, the more you will get used to it. A good way to get rid of your anxiety is to treat yourself to a snack that you like. When you start to feel a bit anxious, one of the best ways to calm yourself is to make your taste buds happy. When you make your taste buds happy, your stomach is happy, and then you're happy. Hopefully, this video has provided you with information to help improve your anxiety. Don't just assume this is your fate. And most of all, don't go it alone. You can learn a lot to become happier in life. Discover how I overcame anxiety disorder, and started living life again. Visit secretanxietyhack.com, to learn how I did it. I thought my anxiety disorder was for life, but I discovered how hundreds of former anxiety sufferers melted away their anxiety, and now live relaxed, happy lives, with no trace of anxiety or depression at all. Visit secretanxietyhack.com to learn so much more. Link in the description.